Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn mathematics whole numbers day 12. So let us see problems on distributive, associative and commutative law. So ఈ sums distributive law, associative law, commutative law లో ఎలా చేసుకోవచ్చో let us see. So first one 5 into bracket 7 plus 8. Second one 2 into bracket 5 plus 6. Third one 19 into 7 plus 19 into 3. Fourth one 49 into 68 into 32 into 49. Fifth one 368 into 12 plus 18 into 368. Sixth one 79 into 4319 plus 4319 into 11. So seventh one find 12 into 75. Eighth one find 25 into 78. Ninth one find 71 into 26. Tenth one find 205 into 1989. 11th one find 1991 into 1005. 12th one 20 into 255 into 50 into 6. సో ఈ సమ్స్ అన్ని ఈ ప్రాపర్టీస్ యూజ్ చేసి ఎలా చేద్దాం చూద్దాం. సో ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఫైండ్ 5 into 7 plus 8 using distributive property. Distributive property యూజ్ చేసి సమ్ ఎలా చేయాలి. Let us see the solution. సో ఇది a into b plus c ఫామ్ లో ఉంది కాబట్టి సో let a equal to 5, b equal to 7 and c equal to 8. By distributive property a into b plus c equal to a into b plus a into c. So in step 1 a into b, first step 1 a into b చేద్దాం. So here a 5 and b 7, that is 5 into 7. 5 7s are 35. Now step 2 a into c. So here a is 5 and c is 8. 5 into 8 is 40. So and then step 3 a into b plus a into c. అంటే a into b ఎంత 35. b into a into c 40. 35 plus 40 nothing but 75. So is it clear? By distributive property a into b plus c equal to a into b plus a into c. That is 5 into 7 plus 8 equal to 75 from step 3. Okay. Now same process లో ఈ సమ్ ఉంది కదమ్మా 2 into bracket 5 plus 6. So same process లో ఈ సమ్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. Try. So another problem. Find 19 into 7 plus 19 into 3. So let us see the solution here. In A, let A equal to 19, B equal to 7 and C equal to 3. So ఇచ్చింది ఏ ఫార్మ్ లో ఉంది A into B plus A into C. A into B plus A into C. So therefore A equal to 19, B equal to 7 and C equal to 3. So దీన్ని ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు by distributing లా A into bracket b plus c by distributing property. So here a place లో 19, b place లో 7, c place లో 3. That is 19 into bracket 7 plus 3. So 19 into 7 plus 3 is 10. 19 into 10 is 190. Okay. Now here fourth sum 49 into 68 plus 32 into 49. So ఈ సమ్ మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి ఓకేనా సేమ్ ప్రాసెస్లో చేయాలి So another sum, 368 into 12 plus 18 into 368. So this one also try yourself. So another one, 79 into 4319 plus 4319 into 11. So this one also try yourself. Same అదే ప్రాసెస్ లో చేస్తే చాలా నీట్ గా వచ్చేస్తుంది. So another one, find 12 into 75. So ఈ సమ్ చూద్దాం. Find the product using distributive property 25 into 78. 25 into 78 ని ఎలా మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి in using distributive property? Let us see. So how to write 25? 25 ని ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు? 20 plus 5. 20 plus 5 is 25 కదా. So write 25 as 20 plus 5 into 78. So distributive law ఏంటి? A plus B into C equal to A into B, sorry, A into C plus B into C. So using distributive law, 20 into 78 plus 5 into 78. So 20 into 78 is 1560, and then 78 పెద్దది కాబట్టి సో 5 into 78 ని ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు? 70 plus 8. 70 plus 8. So same distributive law. 5 into 70 plus 8 ని ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు? So write 1560 as it is plus bracket 5 into 70 bracket close చేసి plus 5 into 8, that is A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C, that is by distributive law. So 1560 write as it is. 5 into 70 is 350 plus 5 into 8, 5 8s are 40. So easy గా యాడ్ చేసేయచ్చు కదా ఇప్పుడు. So that is commutative law. So commutative law ఏంటి? A plus B equal to B plus C. So 350 plus 40 ని ఎలా రాసుకున్నాం? 40 plus 350. Now 1560 plus 40 plus 350, that is associative law. ఏంటది associative law? A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. అర్థమైంది కదా? సో యాడ్ చేస్తే 1560 plus 40 is 1600 plus 350, that is 1950. Is it clear? సో ఈ ప్రాసెస్ లోనే ముందు సమ్ ఇచ్చాం కదా ప్రోడక్ట్, ఆ సమ్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? Find the product using distributive property 17 into 26. So write the number given 17 into 26. How to write the 17 easily? 10 plus 7. 10 plus 7 is nothing but 17. So write in 17 place lo 10 plus 7 అని రాసుకుంటాం. Into write 26 as it is. Now distributive law, using distributive law, A plus B into C equal to A into C plus B into C, that is 10 plus 7 into 26 equal to 10 into 26 plus 7 into 26. So 10 into 26 is 260. So plus 7 అదే విధంగా రాసుకుని 26 ని ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు? 26 is 20 plus 6. 26 ని 20 plus 6 అని రాసుకుంటాం కదా. So 260 write as it is plus, so using distributive law, 7 into 20 plus 7 into 6. Now 260 plus 720 is 140 plus 7 6 is 42. So associative law, a plus b plus c equal to a plus b plus c. 260 plus 140 is 260 plus 140 is 400 and then plus 42. 442. Okay. So same process lo ee sum cheyali. Find 205 into 1989. So this one also 1991 into 1005. So next, find the product by suitable rearrangement. So 20 into 255 into 50 into 6. So let us see the solution. 20 into 255 into 50 into 6. 50 into 6 is 300. 56 is 300. So write in 50 into 6 place 300. 20 into 225 into 300. So by commutative law, A into B equal to B into A. A into B equal to B into A annam kada. So 255 into 300 equal to 300 into 255. Now 20 into 300 is 6000 into 255. So 6000 ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు మనం 6 into 1000. So write in 6000 place 6 into 1000. So write 255. So commutative law ఏంటి 6 into A into B equal to B into A. A into B equal to B into A అన్నాం కనుక 6 into 1000 ని 1000 into 6 అని రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకేనా? into 255. Now 255 ని ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు 250 plus 5. 255 ని ఈజీగా ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు 250 plus 5. So write 255 place లో 250 plus 5. Now using distributive law 1000 into, so A into B plus C equal to distributive law ఏంటి A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C అంటే 6 into 250 plus 6 into 5. ఓకేనా? So here write 1000 as it is into 6 into 250 how much 1500 plus 6 5s are 30. So 1500 plus 30 is 1530. So 1000 into 1530 is 15,30,000. So మీకు ఈజీగా అర్థమైంది కదా.